So you want to upload data to Splunk? Let's do it. You first come here to settings, then you click here data, you scroll down a little bit and click here upload data. Now from here you can select your CSV file. So I have this file on desktop. Okay, I will select it and open. Now click next. Okay, and what source type you want to give it. Here are some predefined. Okay, if you want to select one of these you can, or you can click here to make your custom source type. Okay, so let's name it sales. Okay, and the app will be, let's select search and reporting. Click save and click next, and then the index. So what index you want to save it, either you can use main or you can create your own index on the fly. So we will create our own, so we name it sales, and for now I keep everything default. So save. Okay, and preview. Okay, so these are all your settings. If you are happy with them, then press the submit button. Okay, and now you can start searching. So these are all the events. You can see the source here, sales.csv, and these are some of the fields which are extracted automatically. So I hope you understood this tutorial, and see you in the next videos. Thank you.